ready to work. Got some coffee. Bro, I'm ready to work. But hey though, it's cool.
Hey though, where that you at? I like you need me.
Man, y'all, I just put up to the range as y'all can see, and I'm ready to work. I got some coffee, some Colombian brew. I'm ready to work. What? Woo! It's hot too. I'm ready to work. Think I'm not? Man, what's going on? It's solo on camera. I got plenty ammo, man. They laughing at me because I'm recording. What's wrong with them? Ain't funny. But I'm gonna give y'all a little fit check rundown, man. Today I went Carhartt. I went vintage, Adidas, windbreaker, Polo, New Balance. Just a little calm, like when it's 40, 30 degrees out type fit, just trying to stay warm, just throw something on, you know. But yeah, they laughing at me in the range like I won't go in there and like show them up in every category of shooting. I don't know why they laughing. It's really crazy. But, come on, y'all, let's go. They was laughing at me, but they leaving now. What happened? I just came in, now they leave. No, stay here and shoot. Don't run. But hey, finna load up, finna restock. This 100 rounds count range day. 100 round count range day. Some like. And I'm having Colombian brew. Somebody having suppressors in here too. But yeah. You know, don't even want to make eye contact with me once you start laughing at me and you walking out. Don't even want to, you feel me, make no eye contact. Like, what's up with that? But hey, people will laugh at you for doing something they want to be doing. It's funny how the world works, you know? It's funny how the world works, you know? For my first shots of the day, I'm gonna do the 15, and I'm gonna do the 7, 15, and 25-yard drill. I'm gonna 2-tap at 7, 15, and 25 yards, and I'm gonna look at my grouping. I'm gonna also call out my shots, like I'm gonna be conscious of my shots and what shots took place when, like at what distance, so I can show y'all, like, you feel me? Man, what's up, y'all? Like I showed y'all, my boy in here sighting his gun. Man, they had one of these like 2 weeks ago. It was used. They had it listed at $1,400.
That's a good price.
It's
$2,000 brand new. That's
yeah.
a good deal.
I wanted to get it, but I came back and it was gone. You know.
Yeah, so I put a can on it. Everything's suppressed. It messes the sights up.
Oh
so
yeah.
I have to reserve with the can on it. That's it.
Ooh. That CMMG, man. I'm so glad I put this Glock performance trigger in here some months ago. Like, this is the best thing I ever could have done to this gun. Really, like, besides the red dot and, like, man, the red dot and trigger is all you need, like, in a stipple job. First draw today, I need to read it. Need a couple draws, actually. gonna keep it raw, man. My first shots of the day, I threw one in the C zone. Let me go 15 now. I'm gonna make sure I slow it down a little, watch my dot, and break the wall when it's time. Let me do some presentation. All right, cool. Oh yeah, both A zone. I can show y'all. I can point them out to y'all. All right, y'all. So easiest 1, 2, 3. Look. So this was my 7-yard. This was my first shot 7. Second shot 7. This was my first shot at this is my shot at 15 and my other shot at 15. I'm not sure what order they came in. And these are my 2 at 25. 1 and 2 at 25. So I threw 2 out of the 6. Let's tape up and keep it going. I'm gonna throw it right back out there and do it again. Press check. All right, y'all. Again, second time, 7, 15, 25, man. Let's go. I stacked those easy. Stack those easy. I'm gonna stack these at 15 as well. I'm stacking them. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Y'all see this grouping. It's beautiful. I'm talking about 4 of them. Looking like siblings. Ooh. No cap. All right, y'all. So I threw that first shot to who knows where on the 25, but that's my second shot, 25. Sometimes it's all you need to do to defend yourself. Just, mom. Yeah, right in the kisser. All right, y'all. Let's do it again. All right, y'all. I'm gonna 2-tap this, and I'm gonna do a fast split. That really wasn't a fast split. Just feel like I couldn't control it. Like my support hand grip, like last video I was working on my support hand grip, I still need to work on it. Those are both A-zone, but one's low and one's higher. The second shot's higher, like 5 inches higher. Oh yeah, I stacked those. I'm talking about stacking. Y'all finna see. I'm not stacking like it's nothing. I look at this grouping like they look like siblings. I'm telling you, they're all alike. Uh-oh. All right, y'all look. This is my first shot at 7, second shot at 7. Oh my goodness. I don't know, but like first shot, second shot at 7, and then these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, those are at 15 and 25. So yeah, like, so I'm really like grouping, like I'm really improving too. Like the trigger press, outstanding. Like now I just need to get my support hand grip down. And I need to nail the gun into the floor how I was explaining last video. Y'all go tune into my last video too. Cause you know, like if something's nailed into the ground, it's not moving. Like with my support hand, I need to nail firearm. Like yeah, firm. Told y'all, I walked in ready to work. Like I woke up ready to work. All that. Got some coffee, and I was super ready to work. I just woke up and looked at my piece, like, whew, and I was super ready. All right, so I gotta do some bill drills now, cause I'm ready to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me put it back out there. Let me do another bill drill. I'm ready to work. I'm ready to work. I'm ready to work. Let me lock down my grip so I can be ready to work. I'm ready to work. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready to work, man. I don't know where this hole came from, but I know I did not just throw that right now. That's old. Play it back if you think I'm lying. I'm gonna plug that. Man, I'm just glad I woke up ready to work this morning. Hey, you know your girl Sarah? Well, she chose on some pimping this morning. I just wanted to see if I could come get her clothes. Oh, I can't get her clothes? Well, you wear them then. All right, y'all, I'm gonna do some 2 reload 2. Without my mags going dry too, so it's gonna be no slide lock involved. Really, my holster clip broke, so my reload might not even be presented right. Let's go. I might have to dig in my pants to get my extra mag. Let me do that again. My grouping, like my grip was trash, y'all. I still hit all A zones because that's a layup right there. That's like a free throw. So I still hit, but my grip was trash. All right, y'all, my guy with the suppressor just gave me a fresh target, and I'm ready to work. I'm ready to work. Now I'm ready to work. I'm gonna do 7, 15, 25. I'm ready to work. I threw that first one, corrected it. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, y'all, my first 2 shots, stacked them. Then I went 15 first shot, 15 second shot, Then I went 25 first shot, corrected it, came back down. Second shot, nailed them. I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna do a build drill on him. But I'm gonna do a build drill as fast as possible on that top box, the gray box, by his head. But I gotta be accurate though. Actually, I'm gonna do it on the right box. Okay, YouTube. I know it's ready to go. I know it's time to go. No cap, YouTube. Even though I can't ready to work, I know it's time to go when my head start hurting. When my headset start hurting my head. I feel like it's doing this. Hurts. All right, you too. Be safe. Oh, goodness, my head. All right, y'all, I'm getting ready to head out. Just clean up after myself. A little bit. This ain't mine, but I'ma still throw it away. Man, yeah, I just took off my headset. It's a big relief. I think it's like the headset pushing on my braids. What does it, man? Ooh. And that dude just jumped so hard. Y'all seen that? But yeah, big relief. It's time to go when my head started hurting. I'm telling you. Man, what I tell, man, I was ready to work. I was ready to work, man. Ready to